Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur a layer in Photoshop step by step. First of all, open your document or open your image, then see this on layer, select your layer, then go to filter tab, blur, use average, fail blur, erase blur. Example, use Gaussian blur, then increase or decrease radius. Okay, and use another way, click image layer, then select rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool. Example, use elliptical, hold shift, draw a rectangle, then press Ctrl Z for separate layer. Again apply the same process. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.